Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add testimonial on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan of web hosting, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, simply just log in into your SiteGround account and add testimonial manually. If you go to your dashboard testimonial, add new, you can manually add testimonial along with customer details. So add a title for your testimonial like text, client details such as name, email, company name, and company website, star rating, and including feature image, and divided testimonial into categories if you want to. So you can just simply fill the all details about your client. So after the next procedure is, once you completed this all the scenario, so once you are done customizing the testimonial, don't forget to click on published, and hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.